Welcome to our tutorial on how to count cells over n characters in Excel. In this example, the goal is to count the number of cells in a range that are over a certain number of characters in length. The number is provided as a variable in cell D3. Use the len function to calculate the number of characters. Then apply the greater than logical operator. The result is an array that contains Boolean values. Each true corresponds to a cell that contains more than 40 characters, since cell D3 contains 40. The next step is to convert the true and false values to their numeric equivalents. We use the double negative method. The result is an array that contains ones and zeros only. Now use the SUMPRODUCT function, which returns the sum of numbers in the array. Since n is provided as a variable in cell D3, it can be changed at any time, and the formula will recalculate and return a new result. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.